Hey guys, listening to the English Made Simple show. This is episode number 258, number 258, número 258. Hola everybody. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Made Simple. This is your host Milena speaking. You can find me at englishmadesimple.net. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you guys have been taking care of yourselves. These are crazy times indeed. These are crazy times, amigos y amigas. We are living in crazy times, okay? When I say crazy times, I'm obviously referring to the C word, okay? Coronavirus or COVID-19. Right. So what's been happening with me lately? Before we dive into today's show, just want to announce that I have been working on a pronunciation program behind the closed doors, all right? And updating my website. The website is going to get a makeover very soon. It's going to look different. It definitely needs a refresh after 4 years. So it was looking a bit stale and it's going to get a makeover. So this is where I was spending most of my time and being late with producing episodes. I thank you for your patience though. Anyway, keep your eyes and ears open. I'll announce when the website finally launches. Amigos, to keep up to date with the latest EMS episodes, please visit englishmadesimple.net and you'll see my face pop up from the side of the browser. Just enter your details in, like your name and email, and then you'll be notified of upcoming episodes. Right now, I'm releasing episodes every 2 weeks or so. So again, thank you for your patience during these times. Radio. So let's move on to today's topic. I have noticed that a lot of people make this mistake when they're using the verb to call someone. The mistake I hear people make is this. I'm going to call to my boss, or I'll call to my boss. The correct version would sound like this. I'm going to call my boss. So the incorrect version was I'm going to call to my boss, and the correct version is I'm going to call my boss. Notice the difference there? I'll say it again. The incorrect version, the wrong way to say it is I'm going to call to my boss. The correct version is I'm going to call my boss. Maybe we should repeat after me. Okay. I'm going to call my boss. Let's repeat that. I'm going to call my boss. Great. So now I'm going to share another way you can use the verb call when you intend to use it to reach out to someone. The phrase I want you to remember is to give someone a call. To give someone a call. Let's replace the word someone with the words my boss. Example, I'm going to give my boss a call. So this is a phrase, to give someone a call. And in this example, we can say, I am going to give my boss a call. I'm going to give my boss a call. If you don't want to use the word call to imply a phone call, use the word ring. R-I-N-G, ring. For example, give your boss a ring. Why don't you give your boss a ring? Or give your boss a call. Does this make sense, amigos? Great. Another tip I'd like to share with you today is you can also replace the word someone with the words him or her. So if you're wanting to refer to someone a he or a she. So let me give you an example. To give Anna a call would be something like this. Just give her a call. Just give her a call. Or just give her a call. Okay. It's a very fast way to say it. Just give her a call. You don't even pronounce the H sound. Just give her a call. To give John a call, it would be just give him a call. To accentuate that him, we can say just give him a call, But most of the time, native speakers would just say, just give him a call. They'll actually make the H silent. So it kind of rolls off the tongue there. Just give him a call. Just give your boss a call. Just give him a call. Or just give her a call. Okay? See the difference there? So if it's a female, you would say just give her a call. Just give her a call. And if it's a male, just give him a call. Just give him a call. If we say it really fast, just give him a call. Cool. So that's a very useful tip for you guys to remember. And that's it for today, amigos y amigas. That's all I wanted to teach you today is how to use the phrase to give someone a call and how to use it correctly, because I've been hearing a lot of people use the incorrect version of this phrase, or the incorrect way of saying it. The incorrect way was, I'll call to my boss. And the correct way to say it is, I'll call my boss. Okay. Hopefully that is crystal clear. Hopefully that's crystal clear, amigos y amigas. Thanks again for listening. As you know, right now I'm releasing episodes on odd days and times, so not regularly. So if you're enjoying the show and you don't want to miss out on the next episode of the EMS show, just go to englishmadesimple.net and then you'll see my face pop up from the side of the browser, and you can enter your name and email, and I'll keep you updated on the next episode of EMS. I'll keep you notified of future episodes. Again, thanks again for listening. You've been jamming with Milena from English Made Simple. Until next time, hasta la próxima.